Hello, second graders. My name's Monica, and I'm a certified teacher in Tennessee. I'm glad you joined me today. Today we're going to do the second number talk in our series. Number talks are a way to develop number sense by thinking about all of the different ways you can add and subtract numbers mentally. You shouldn't need any manipulatives for this activity. Let's get started. I'm going to write an expression on this paper, and I want you to just think in your head about this problem and think about what the answer might be. You ready? Okay. The first expression is 7 plus 3. Have you thought of an answer? Great. Jordan, would you like to share what you think the answer might be to 7 plus 3? Jordan says that he thinks the answer might be 9. Do we agree with 9? Do we have a different answer? Sarah, would you like to share what you think the answer to 7 plus 3 is? Sarah says that she thinks the answer is 10. So we have two answers here, 9 and 10. Who agrees with the answer 9? And who agrees that the answer is 10? I'm seeing that a lot of you are agreeing with the answer 10. Sarah, can you tell us how you thought about this problem? Okay. Sarah says that she counted up to find the answer. She said that she started with the number 7 and counted up 3. 1, 2, 3. And landed on 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Who thought about it differently? Lily, you thought about it differently. How did you think about it? Oh, Lily says that she thought about all of the combinations of 10. She thought about the facts that she learned in first grade that make 10. 7 and 3 equal 10. Let's explore that just a little bit. So you've probably seen something like this before. It's a number bond. So this is a 10, and these are the numbers, the two numbers that we can compose to make 10. And this is a 10 frame. There are 10 squares in this 10 frame. So let's think about, we'll remember all of the different ways that we can make 10. What's one of them? All right. I heard somebody say 1 plus 9 equals 10. So that's 1 And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. What's another one? Good. 2 and 8 equal 10. Let's see how that looks on a 10 frame. Here's the 2. And how many more do we need to fill the 10 frame? Exactly. We need 8 more to fill the 10 frame. So I have 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 also equal 10. Is there another one? Another way to make 10? Yes, 3 and 7. That was the fact that we just looked at in our number talk. 3 and 7 also make 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 make 10. Now I noticed something here though. I noticed that in our expression that we did for our number talk, it was 7 plus 3. And here we're showing the 3 plus 7. Is that the same thing? You're right, it is the same thing. All I would need to do is turn these over to show the 7 plus 3. Here are the 7 and here are the 3. What's another one? 4 plus 6. We could also say 6 plus 4. What's another one? Great. 5 and 5 also make 10. That would look like 2 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 on the top, and 5 on the bottom. That fills my 10 frame, so I have 10 altogether. So let's think some more about the combinations of 10. And we're going to use that to help us think about this next expression. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. The next expression is 7 plus 5 plus 3. This time I have 3 add-ins. Think about this problem. Who would like to share what they think the answer is? Addie, would you like to share what you think your answer is? Okay. Addie says that she thinks the answer to this expression is 15. Addie, how did you think about this problem? Great. Addie says that she saw this problem, 7 plus 3, inside this problem. She saw that she could combine the 7 and the 3 to make 10, and then add 5 more to make 15. Very good. Let's try one more. The next one is 3 plus 6 plus 7. Can we try to use Addie's strategy for this one? Have you thought about what the answer could be? Great. Who would like to share how they found the answer to this expression? Andrew, would you like to tell us how you thought about this problem? Okay. Andrew says that he tried to make 10 first. He saw that 3 and 7 are a combination of 10, and then added the 6 more. And what was your answer, Andrew? 16. Let's see what that looks like on our 10 frames. This time, we're going to need to have more than one 10 frame. So, for that problem, 3 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is where the 3 plus 7 equals 10 is. But then I had 6 more to add. So I have 10 plus 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this gives me a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That was great, guys. Let's continue this thinking, okay? We're going to just do a couple more of the number talks. Let me get a fresh piece of paper. All right, are you ready? The next expression is 2 plus 5 plus 8. Try using the making a 10 strategy. All right. Who would like to share what they think the answer to 2 plus 5 plus 8 equals? Joseph, what do you think the answer is? Joseph says that he thinks the answer is 15. How many of us agree with this answer? Oh, I see. Everybody is agreeing with this answer. 2 plus 5 plus 8 equals 15. Joseph, tell us how you thought about this. Joseph says that he found another combination of 10. That 2 and 8 make 10, plus the 5 more equals 15. 10 and 5 more equal 15. How many 10 frames would we need to show this? We would need 2 10 frames again. One of these 10 frames would be full with the 2 and the 8. Let's see that. 2. And how many more till I fill this up? 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that makes the 10. And now I need 5 more. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count those just to make sure. We have a full 10 frames, so that's 10 plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. I see that I have a row here, 5 left until I fill this next one up. If I filled them both up, how many would I have then? 2 full 10 frames. That would give me 20. Let's do one more. The next expression is 5 plus 5 plus 8. What do you think the answer could be to this expression? 5 plus 5 plus 8. Lori, can you tell us what you think the answer might be? Lori says that she thinks the answer is 18. Who agrees with Lori? It looks like everybody agrees with Lori. 5 plus 5 plus 8 equals 18. Lori, tell us how you thought about this problem. Oh, good. I'm glad you thought about the making 10. Where did you see the 10? Lori saw the 10 in the 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 8 more. 10 and 8 more equals 18. Let's look at that. 5 and 5 on our 10 frame is going to fill up a whole 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our 10. And how many more do I need to represent this problem? Yes, I need 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This gives us 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I can see that 5 plus 5 plus 8 equals 18. Excellent job, guys. That was a lot of fun. If you would like to do more number talks, there are some more number talks that extend on this idea of making tens that can be found in the parent packet and the teacher packet. Thanks for joining me, second graders, and I'll see you for the next time.
Today I'm going to show you some pictures of dots, and your job is to think about how many dots that you see and how you see them. It's fun to share thinking about math. So let's get started. You see some dots on this page. Think about how you see them and how many that you see. Oh, Caroline? Caroline says she sees 4 dots here and 4 dots here and 1 left. Let's think about writing a math expression to show Caroline's thinking. We have 4 dots and we're going to add 4 more dots. That's a double. So if we have 4 and 4, we know then we have 8. And 8 plus 1 more is 9. Exactly. So there are 9 dots on this page. Good thinking. Let's try another one. Here are more dots. So remember, you are going to think about how many dots that you see and how you see them. Steph. Oh, Steph is saying that he sees a group of 4 dots on the top and a group of 4 dots on the bottom. And 1 more. Oh, that's similar to what Caroline saw on our first picture. So, could we write a math expression to show how many dots we have on this page? Sure. Steph, could you help me? How many did you see on the first row? 4. That's right. Plus, how many more, Steph? 4. Yes. And we know that's a double. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. Right. And then we have to add our other dot. 8 and 1 more equals 9. There are 9 dots on this page. You guys are doing a great job. Let's try another one. This one's a little bit different. How many dots do you see and how do you see them? LeBron? Oh, LeBron, you see a group of 5 dots. Yes, there are 5 dots here. And LeBron says if we move this dot over here, there are 5 more dots. That is very true. If we put this one in the center, it would look just like our first picture. So LeBron, how many dots did you see in the first picture? 5, yes. Plus, how many more over here? 5. Oh, that's a double again. Equals, how many dots are there in all? Yes, there are 10 dots on this page. This is fun.